Crazy Boy, and we are doing something, another Nerf review of the Rival series. It's a really good series. This gun shoots far, really far, and the magazine looks like this. They have like these tiny squishy balls. Yeah, it's really cool. When I first got that, this gun shoots really far. It will maybe, or it might sting a little bit, but it's still soft, so I don't know what would happen because I never shot myself yet with this. So the way you put it in, you just put it in like this. The clip side goes on this side, and no clip side goes on this side. Like that, and you slam it in like that. So it's not this button right here, that if it's out like that on the side, like nothing on it, it's unlocked. If it's out like that, on the side that says Rival, it's locked. So it's a good safety feature. So I'm gonna unlock it. So yeah, the way to take it out is this button. You just press it and take it out. Really it. So the cool thing about this, it's really fun, I've been doing it for a while, is it flies out. Well, let me just pick those up. It might take like 3 seconds. Maybe more. Okay, the cool thing about this is, I can't show you, is that on the floor, you can slam it into like that. You can pretend this is the floor. Never mind. So I'm gonna get in now. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the gun. It's not in yet. Here's the spring thing. You pull it back. Then you push it. Okay, yes. Then you push it forward. So then it shoots. It's really loud. So if you're in Nerf war, this is it's a good gun to use to shoot your opponent. But if you want to creep up on them and you use that, then it's really crunchy. So he might hear you or her. And the way it fires, I think it might hear you in the back, be like, what? Ah! So, I'm going to show you guys this in action. It shoots far. They're here. Yeah, it shoots really far. It shoots I'm in my backyard today, and it shoots 60 feet or more. My backyard is 60 feet, so that's how long it did. So I think it goes up to 80. Yeah, it's a really nice gun to use in a Nerf war. Sorry. The bad thing is, if you want another, one of these, there's, for me, my opinion, I don't really like guns that have, that needs batteries, because it's annoying, it doesn't come with batteries, so you have to go to the store and buy them. I wish it came with batteries, and I would like it. But, yeah, another one of these, the one, put it in right there, put it in like that, there, it needs batteries, and, hate that. So, there's, features on this. It says Rival right here. There's, arrows are here. There's a, whatever this thing is called, I forgot. And this you can't take out. This thing you can't take out. I wish you could. And that's really it. And it's cool that you can put it in the holder thing. This. I forgot what it's called. And yeah. It's loud. I don't know why. I don't know why would they do that. It's weird. It might hurt. I'm gonna shoot it right here. Sorry, it dropped. So I'm gonna try to show you right now the thing, the easy cleanup. Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna go turn the light on. I'll be back in like 5 seconds. Okay, I'm back. And this thing, the gun's up there. See that? Okay, now here comes the easy cleanup. Easy. Not focus. Here's the easy cleanup. Here's the easy cleanup. Sorry, I forgot to turn it around. I don't think I can turn it around. I have no clue. So the easy cleanup is this. You put it there and it does this. Oops, sorry. I keep messing up. It does that. It just does that. I don't know how it does that. Sorry about the mistakes. I'm not really good at YouTubing, really, the camera yet by myself without my mom holding it. So I'm definitely really, really sorry. So, let's try the gun one time. I'm going to try to find out a way for like, kids my age to make it a lot easier to prime. Really, me, I have to put it against my body. And it really hard and really hurts. So, ready? Let's see if we can see this. I'm over at 1. Try okay, because I have like tons. Okay, everyone. Really, this thing's so fast you can lose it. Really bad. I don't know why this is see-through. And it looks like it can like hold like 8 of these. I already tried and I did like put it in and popped right out. I was like, what? So, and yeah, this is really it. Nothing really else to do. So, bye. I'm Crazy Boy. Hope you guys subscribe to me and comment for more videos. And bye.